Gee, what we're starting with here?
Hey, we start with some dirty tires, but we got good desires. So I'm gonna tell you right now, these are gonna be hella fire. Stop playing with us if you ain't staying with us.
Hell yeah!
We got good cleaning going on. This is gonna be hella clean inside.
For real!
There we go.
It is
let that do some baking.
Just melts it right up.
I'll do a shout out on the Black Magic Bleche-White. I think that's how you say it. Tire cleaner. Hella fire.
Hella fire. Dude, yeah, it's like...
See, that stuff works so well. It's like, what?
What? Like, look at that. What? It literally took some of the rust off.
It already looks repainted around here. Like, it's funny.
Done, dude. This is how we are prepping to paint the tire wells. Tire wells? What do you call that part?
Oh, like the wheel well or the...
This part. What is this called?
Oh, the hub.
The hub. We're gonna paint the hubs.
We're gonna paint the hubs.
Paint the hubs. Yeah. Hell yeah. Nice.
I think it's gonna take a couple coats on this front one.
Whoa.
Cause it's a front brake, so that's where most of the brakes are.
And that's why it looks like that?
Yeah, it's just all that nar-narness.
All that nar-narness. From the brakeness.
From that brakiness. They go up on the hill and there's all these fish sleeping and they get woken up and they just like they make bus sounds when they're like Urgh.
I don't remember that one.
They make like literally horn sounds like from buses.
What the fuck? We're getting in there. Look at that. This is attention to detail right here. This is good. These
no
are
stone
so
left
good.
unturned.
We turn over all these stones.
Shit, we got Rosetta Stone turned over too.
Woo! We are doing this one on the wheel well. Oh, it looks so cool in the video, bro. It's like chromatic. Whoa!
Damn, it's got like purples and blues in that.
It's got the purple.
Purples and blues.
It's got the blues.
It's got all the hues.
All the hues.
You know how we do?
Ooh. You think? Cray. Let's see it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at how that shit just melts off. Oh. Oh. Some real loving. Oh my god, yes. Dude.
I'm really like curious to see maybe we can paint some of this stuff.
Tape mark? That's so smart. Fuck yeah. Problem solving.
There we go.
Yes, that looks so much better. Very good. Very good. Prepped up. Oh, and we gotta do the rest of the rust spray. I'm excited to see it in person. Oh my god. Rust Reformer.
I already got the underside of the hub and everything. I'm pretty sure pretty good. So let's see, this right here. Get that nice even coat. Try not to get too much on the actual wheel. I think it sticks better than rust than it actually does.
Yeah, that would make sense. That would be good. Dude, whoa! What? It is translucent.
Oh, it smells good. I mean, I know it's like, it's not good for brain cells, but it does smell nice. Like,
hell yeah. How long does it take to dry?
it says wait 24 hours before painting.
What?
I don't think so. I think it'll be good.
Yeah.
I say we just give it a little bit and see what it does.
For real.
Because it'll.
So he already did this, but this is a really good idea he brought up. You want to make sure the tape's set in so that when you paint it, there isn't like that white there around the rim showing. So yeah, pay attention to detail, guys.
All in the details.
All in the details. All taped off and ready to go. And the valve stem, always. Good stuff, good stuff. Here we go. Here we go, getting the paint ready. Gonna be starting with a satin black to prep the surface.
That satin for the chromatin.
Ooh, hey, boys. Let's get it. That's such a clean paint right there.
Oh, actually, we might be good with this.
Good coverage?
Oh, beautiful. Better coverage than I thought. I'm not gonna. Wow.
Oh, damn.
And this little. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna need it anymore.
Hell yeah.
Well, it's hard to tell yet, but. Goddamn.
Sweet.
Getting deep on this job.
Yeah.
Getting in.
Getting in there.
Keep going. It's actually gonna be black.
Oh, that one
They
is
said they
satisfying.
needed that black base for the other paint. We're giving that black base. We got it.
Got it, got
And
it.
a fresh canvas too with that. It's perfect.
Mm.
Oh. It might take a sec to coat just because it is a plastic piece. Give that just a little.
Is it because the plastic absorbs the paint more?
Honestly, it looks like it's absorbing the hell out of the paint.
Yeah.
Like I put it on and it instantly
Looked the same.
soaked it up. It looked the same. You saw that? It just freaking looked the same.
It looked the same.
That's crazy.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. I've never done something like this.
You want to get the next one?
Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah.
You never paint it for the camp?
No, not on like a wheel, like a what?
Oh, it's hella. It's fun. I love it.
This is so cool. Dang, it's black. It's black. Oh.
And that's all we really need for the base. That's just the base, so we're good.
That is it. We're good. Oh, heck yeah. Dude, that was so fast, too. That only took 2 minutes.
Wasn't bad, huh?
Yeah.
Real fast. That's good.
Woo. How much paint did you say that you used?
Maybe 20% of the can at most.
Hey, so we're good.
Like that, not very much. Even just in black, it looks cool. When we put that that effect, oh my god.
It's gonna be so cool. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Hey,
You want me to work the middle and then if you want to get the outside?
Yeah, sure.
Just like all the... It's all good to me. Like, they feel great.
We're good. Good.
Take that valve stem off.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to do it. Sure. Because a little chrome is so kind of like nice. The little valve stem and shit.
Right? It's gonna pop out nice, for real. It's gonna pop. Some pop.
Put some really beautiful caps on that. Like, wow, there's more like chrome on those caps. Have fun.
Will you get me doing it?
I got you.
Here we go.
Let's get this storm.
Swift.
Swift with it. You got it. Oh.
Hey!
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh! Yay!
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Okay, oh my god, I got it way more on the tape than you did. You were really good at that.
Oh no, you're good. Get that. Yup.
Get it! Well, you're right, it's another seashell up. Ah!
Heck yeah.
Should I get the outside?
Hit it. Grab that. Grab it. That looks beautiful. Yup.
Oh my shit, I think I'm using more paint than you did.
You okay? There you go. Hell yeah.
There we go! Dude, hell yeah!
I'll grab this.
The finishing touches. Hell
You got it
yeah!
around the corner good.
Hey, that was satisfying.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
Yeah.
It's good painting. That's hella good.
Dude, it looks good.
We going crazy with it. We chose artwork today. Oh.
For real. Here we go, reveal. Yes, sir.
Oh, this might take a while because I didn't do it in like a in the pattern, I guess.
That's good. We're gonna be able to see it. It's gonna be suspenseful.
That tape is strong. Okay, there we go.
Ooh. Jeez, for real.
There we go.
Yes, sir. Oh my god.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
Dude.
That was custom right there.
Dude, it is. That's custom right there.
With the planets potentially.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be too much.
That's clean. That's so good.
Ready for wheel 2?
Wheel 2, here we
Oh
come.
shoot, wait, I have to put the magnets. I forgot.
Dude, that does. It looks so good. Oh yeah.
Go for it.
Right?
Can we start from the outside or from the middle?
Middle. Oh my gosh. Oh!
That's clean.
That is hella clean. Yes, sir. Dude. That looks so good. I don't think I was even able to see that though before we cleaned it, man.
Really?
Yeah, I wasn't able to see through that like that. The center.
Oh, now it's kind of clear. You can kind of see through it now.
Yeah, I can actually see it. That's all look good. Oh yeah. Hella tired.